Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I bought another beautiful recipe with the sweet potato. It's called sweet potato sesame balls with chocolate filling. If you're craving for some kind of dessert and this quarantine, everyone is locked down, this is great to feed your kids during this time. If you're new to my channel, you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. I have 2 videos every week. Here I'm going to start off peeling one large sweet potato. You can use purple potato, you can use orange potato, sweet potato. The choice is totally up to yours. Now I'm going to peel this and cut them into cubes. The reason I'm going to cut them into cubes because we're going to steam them to a point where it's just cooked through. We don't want to cook them where it becomes too mushy. As you can see, it's cooked through and it's not mushy. It's perfectly done. This is kind of consistency you want to keep it, because if it's mushy, then it's kind of doesn't come together. Now I mashed the potato. To this I've added half a cup of rice flour. Now if you think your potato needs a little more extra flour because it's kind of sticky, you can adjust the consistency. I'm going to add another 1 tablespoon of it, and now I'm going to make a nice soft dough. Once I make the soft dough, I'm going to add sugar to it. Now when it comes to sugar, you can add sugar as much as you want, or you can totally skip the sugar because the sweet potato is already a sweet. So if you think you're okay with that kind of sweet level, you can skip the sugar, totally up to you. Now I'm just going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. As I said, it's up to you, and I'm going to mix it and make a soft dough. Once that is done, I'm going to set it aside. I also have 6 tablespoons of white sesame seeds and some chocolate chips, around 2 to 3 tablespoons. Now I'm going to make a small size ball. It's totally up to you if you want to make a little bigger version or smaller. I'm just making a smaller. You can change the size as per your desire. Now I'm making a small incision in the center. I'm going to add 2 chocolate chips because it's a smaller size, so I'm going to just fill in 2. But if you're making a little bigger, you can add more to it. Now I'm going to give it a quick shape, round shape, and then I'm going to add that to the sesame seeds and coat them generously. Make sure you coat them generously because when we fry them, some of the sesame seeds might fall off, and so that you still have some holding on to your sweet potato. Now I'm going to go ahead and continue to do the same with the rest of the sweet potato mixture. Shape it and put the chocolate chips in it, and then cover it and make a nice round shape, and then coat it with the sesame seeds. The process is done. I have made a couple of them here. Now I'm also preheating my oil on medium-low heat. We want to cook this on a medium-low heat. We do not want to cook them on high heat because it will burn and the sesame seeds will darken up. It will definitely not taste good. So we want to slowly cook them through. So just add them as much as the pan can fit in and slowly cook until the sweet potato turns nice and orange color. As you will see, the sesame seed also will just turn nice and golden. It's nicely done. At this point, I'm going to remove this in a paper towel in a clean plate. And once you remove all the sweet potatoes from the oil, you wanted to remove that excess of sesame seeds that is left behind the oil, because we don't want to continue cooking with that sesame seed because it will turn black and it's not going to taste good. Now I'm going to do the second batch the same way I did the first one, and just make sure you maintain the oil temperature throughout the cooking process. We don't want to cook them and burn them. Now after you finish them, you just dust with some powdered sugar and it's ready to be served. You have nice chocolatey and gooey the sweet potato ball with the sesame seeds. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye bye.